So we just finished nested if statements. Now we're going to deal with multiple conditional statements in Python. Now it's very similar to what we just did. We'll take the same kind of thing that we just did. We're going to check to see what their employee rating is and come up with what their bonus should be. So for this one, it's more the same. We're not real clear on a few things, but they've provided us with some constants. We've got 7 constants there. I've yet to understand why no bonus is in there. We just don't need it. We acquire the employee's first name, their last name, what their salary is, and what their rating is. So they tell us what their rating is. So in the code, we have to take whatever their rating is. So we're going to check to see what their rating is, whether it's 1, 2, or 3. And based on their rating, what they input, we'll calculate what their bonus will be. So let's look at this. Let's say if, and we've got employee rating, is something they gave us. If employee rating is equivalent to, let's come up and choose rating 1. What that boils down to is if you entered the number 1, or whatever stored in rating 1, then your bonus is going to be, and it's bonus, that's what we see down at the bottom down here, same thing we saw in the last exercise. Bonus will now equal, now bonus 1 is 25%. So what's it mean to get a bonus? It ends up being your salary times that bonus value. All right? But it's also your salary plus whatever the bonus is. So you get an increase in your salary of that much. So employee salary times the bonus, that's how much your bonus or increase is going to be. So we're looking to see how much the bonus will be, and it's your salary plus whatever that bonus is. So let's go through. We'll see if this works out the way we want it to work. If not, we can always go through and modify it. So I'm going to take that code, put an L, and converted that into an elif just by typing EL in. And I'll change the number 1 to number 2. I'll take that whole block of code. I'll come down here and I'll paste that in and I'll change it to 3. So I can reuse this thing with minor modifications. And it should do everything that I need it to do. If I run this code, let's see what it does for me. It says enter the employee's first name. Gene. I said the last name was Hansen. And their salary is $70,000. And the performance rating is 2. Employee name Gene Hansen, employee bonus $80,000. Now their bonus, they just want the bonus, not a pay raise. So we'll go ahead and we'll get rid of that increase in there. We're not always perfect with these straight out of the gate, but we can see what the modifications do for us. So now the bonus is just their salary times the bonus. Let's go ahead and run it again. Gene Hansen, $70,000. performance rating of 2. Now we see that our results match the expected results. Gene Hansen, employee bonus of $10,500. Okay, so for that, we have to go test it, make sure that the system recognizes everything we did. And we did get 2 out of 2 tests that were passed. You can click there to see if there was any discrepancies. Go ahead and grade it, review, and submit it for a grade so it migrates over to Blackboard. So we'll see you in the next one.